today I'm going to be fidget trading virtually with my best friend, part 3. Hello, Jackie.
Part 2.
3. I posted 2 parts already, Jackie. So guys, today I'm going to be scamming her though. So don't tell her I'm going to be scamming her, because I was going to say this is legendary and this is neon and it's never coming back. When it is coming back, it's still in game. It's not legendary and it isn't neon. It's just normal. So I'm going to be scamming her. So let's go. Okay, Jackie, you offer first. No, you offer first. You offer first. Can I offer? I'll offer my DIY puppet. Sure, because the Simple Dimple took a whole roll of tape. I know, surprising. It took the whole roll of tape! What?
The puppet and the Simple Dimple tape?
The DIYs, yes. I accept. Takes. Okay, here you go. Now you take it. Okay. Okay, now it's my turn to offer, isn't it? I'll offer this hockey sack.
I can't see you. I like using recording. Oh, what?
Hacky sack.
What is that?
It's a hacky sack. You want to offer?
I'll offer the puppet that was broken by the
Okay, accept. Here you go. Here you go. Alright, now what's your offer? Didn't I already have that? I don't want that. Can you switch it out? Also, you need to talk louder because it was really squeaky in the last video. Fine, I'll offer. I'll offer you this putty. This putty. I'm gonna remove the putty since I really like it, and I'll add this big bucket of slime. Labeled slime, how convenient. Okay. Alright, now my turn to offer. I'll offer you a super legendary neon never coming back thingy, whatever you call this.
You're gonna spin me for that. I'm not gonna offer you that.
I've never seen one of this before though. Literally, I just found it in our napkin holder. I just connected them and I'm like, boom, there you go. Now it's a fidget.
This?
Is that it? Duh. Here you go. Pretend it is actually neon. It is. Okay? Me. Pop it. Here we go. Pretend the puppet is broken, so you take out your broken one. Get your broken puppet. Pretend it's my...
Oh, but it's yours.
No, like just pretend it's the one I just gave you.
What?
The perks of trading, you cannot actually see what it is from the trade box. I still messed it out at last moment. I still have my perfect puppet right here. Okay, you offer now. Me. I'll offer you the splat ball you gave me. And I'll also give you the blue ball. I'll add your infinity cube. Okay. Actually, can I have a stress ball like in real life? Though I have none. I'm very sad about it because I have no stress balls in real life. Like, can I have one, please? Oh shoot! Where's my fidget? Oh dang it! I don't know where my fidget spinner is. But okay. Yep. I'll offer this mochi. You're glitching out. Okay. What is your offer?
That mochi that is my favorite mochi ever.
Okay, here you go. These are all your stuff. Hey, what's next?
Guys, she can't hear me right now, but I have a channel Orbeez Festival that's really but I'm going to be doing it like trading this Orbeez Festival that is not breaking, okay? So, yeah, now she can hear me. Okay, I'll have my other phone.
Hey, what is it? What is it?
Here's Orbeez Stress.
Well, actually, I already have an Orbeez stress ball, so I don't need it.
Offer for it.
Also, it looks broken because of the hair tie. But okay, I'll offer for it. I'll give you this.
This is a legendary. This is not real.
Actually, could you actually give me one of the stuff I had that I gave to you? Can you give me like something I gave to you? The big star. Okay, so this is your offer. This is what you're trading. Okay, I'll offer for the slime. And I'll give you this putty since it's the only thing I have besides the poppet, which I really like. Please accept. What if it's not? Wait, what are my stuff? I'll also add your favorite mochi. Pretend this is your favorite mochi. Wait 1 second. Guys, I'm gonna spin her again. I'm gonna empty out the putty. Pretend you can't hear me, okay? Okay, I'll add the purple Orbeez ball. Yeah?
So how, when I'm trying to scam you, you say, oh, I don't want this. Oh, no, I know you're trying to scam me. But then after, when you scam me, I'm like, oh my gosh, you scammed me.
Because, like, you gave me an Orbeez ball already. You gotta scam me with something else. Also, we're still on camera.
Yeah, but that's what you do.
But I'll also add the purple Orbeez ball.
hope she doesn't scam me, guys.
Do you accept?
I accept.
Okay, here you go.
I'm opening the honey. It's empty!
Okay, is it my turn to offer? I'll give you the putty that goes inside of the case. Now that I realize, it actually kind of looks like a mochi. It kind of looks like this mochi. I can barely tell the difference.
Guys, I'm gonna, guys, you can't hear me right now. So
You say that every single time. Guys, she can't hear me right now. You say that every time.
then I'm gonna send her for this, like, snail, like, roach that's broken.
Right, okay.
I'll offer you this mochi that is actually good.
Can you add a little bit, please?
No, that's actually good, and it took me, like, 3 years to get it.
Have you even had fidgets for 3 years? Okay, I'll add. You know what? Nope. Fine, I'll accept. Here you go. Now you have putty. Now you have putty. What?
That's good.
Oh, nice. Because I also scammed you that putty's dry.
You can't do that.
The putty's dry.
You can't do that.
Okay, my turn to offer. Oh, it's your turn to offer. It looks DIY to me. Okay, me please. I'll offer you a real case with a real not dry putty. Here, I'll even show you. Nobody has putty that isn't dry. Everybody just leaves it in the corner.
No, everyone has a putty that.
Oh, fine. I'll give you this putty, and I'll give you that, and I'll give you the snail. I'll give you the what do I have? Really low collection. I'll give you your favorite mochi. Give me. I'm not adding my puppet.
Well, then I decline.
Okay, my turn to offer. I'll offer my puppet. I want to see if you overpay. Let me see your offer.
I'll add this stress ball, this bottle.
I already have that stress ball. You gave me that stress ball. You gave me the or.
You traded it back.
Oh, I did? Okay.
And then this one, this not broken.
It looks broken though. Just gonna roll with it. Is that it?
Yes, and this is the
Can you please add
Nobel is yours.
the what?
The Nobel is yours.
Can you please add a little bit, please?
But I'm sending it here.
Okay. Here you go. This is all yours. No, you couldn't. These are all your fidgets. These are all my fidgets, also including the ones you have in your room. Anyways, your turn to offer. Can I offer for your wacky track? Me. I'll give you this Nintendo DS. Very expensive. I'll give you this Nintendo DS. Really expensive, and it actually works.
Fidgets only.
Excuse me. This costs $1,000. You let me offer a Cheeto bag. Okay, so are you gonna take the offer or not?
No.
I decline. My turn to offer. May you offer like some of my stuff back, please? Though? If I offer you this slime and this putty and no, it's not. This is the real one. You got the fake one. I'll also and this Nintendo Switch Lite.
No, it's fine.
What? Jackie, what will you do for my slime? It's all I have left. Please, just give me some of my stuff back. Hello? Hello? Jackie. Jackie.
Sorry, I don't know what happened.
So like, what will you give me for my slime? Please give me like something I gave you because I really need some more stuff back. All I have is this and the putty. Why? Do I do a different type of video, like a...
No, I don't want to film any videos right now.
Okay, bye guys. Maybe like and subscribe, turn on your notifications if you want us to do a part 4. Bye.